Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to unconnect or disconnect your GoDaddy domain from Wix. If you bought your domain on GoDaddy but built your site on Wix, these steps relate perfectly to each other to get your custom URL live in minutes. First, you need to add the domain to your Wix account. Log into Wix, go to your domains page and click Add an existing domain. Select Connect the domain you already own, enter your GoDaddy URL and hit Let's Go. Wix will detect that your domain is hosted at GoDaddy and will often offer an automatic connection. If you see a Continue button, click it to log into your GoDaddy account right there in a pop-up, and Wix will handle all the technical DNS heavy lifting for you. If you need to do it manually, the next connected step is updating your name servers. In your GoDaddy account, find your domain and click DNS to reach the management settings. Look for the name server section and click Change. You'll need to select Enter my own name servers and paste the two Wix name servers that usually look like ns1.wixdns.net and ns2.wixdns.net. This relates directly to your site's address book, telling the internet to look at Wix's servers whenever someone types in your URL. The final step is the waiting game, also known as propagation. Once you save those changes in GoDaddy and hit Verify Connection in Wix, it can take anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours for the new records to spread across the globe. During this time, your site might look like not secure or show a 404 error. But don't panic, it's just the SSL certificate and the network catching up. Once it's finished, Wix will send you an email letting you know your domain is officially live.